Hello out there and welcome to Peter's online tutor. Today we shall be looking at mathematics. Now we have a question on the board. It reads, given that y equals tan x, use the quotient rule to show that dy dx equals sec squared x. So how do we solve this question? Let us go. Alright, now we are having y equals tan x, okay, and then we are asked to show that dy dx equals sec squared x using the quotient rule. Now, I want to show us another way to use quotient rule, okay? Now, remember that tan x can still be written as sin x over what? Over cos x. Are you following now? So, my dy dx will be equal to, now, bring this cos x up. Are you following now? Times differentiate sin x. We differentiate sin x, you will get cos x. Are you following? Minus, now write sin x, okay? Then differentiate cos x. If we differentiate cos x, you'll be having what? Minus sin what? Sin x over the square of cos x. Are you following now? So my dy dx will be equal to cos x times cos x will give us cos squared x. Okay? Now minus times minus is plus. Sin x times sin x will give us sin squared x. Okay? Over cos squared x. Are you following now? Now recall that from trig identity, cos squared x plus sin squared x is equal to 1. Don't forget. So my dy dx will be equal to, this will give me 1 over what? Cos squared x. Am I communicating? Alright. Now 1 over cos squared x is equal to sec squared x. Please don't forget. So now we have been able to show that dy dx is equal to what? Sec squared x, using what? Another what? Way to use what? Quotient rule. So thank you and bye bye.